Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing today this approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE finished in grey. This 2023 model comes with a 2-litre D200 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. This Discovery Sport has around 800 to 900 litres of usable boot space capacity, allowing room for several large luggage items as well as shopping. There is an adjustable parcel shelf and the boot can be closed automatically with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back of the car, we can find the perforated Windsor leather ebony seats with the contrasting Mars red stitching. There are ISOFIX points located on these seats, as well as a fold-down armrest which will reveal 2 cup holders as well as a storage tray. Backseat passengers can also utilise their own climate control vent with 2 USB-C ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the ebony interior with the same contrasting Mars red stitching found on the dash and door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically operated with lumbar support. Now taking a closer look at the multifunctional 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel, we can find controls on the left for the virtual cockpit and hands-free telephone, and on the right for the cruise control as well as the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference. These include 1 and 2 dial as well as map and media options. Speaking of map, the main touchscreen infotainment system does come with satellite navigation, which does have useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access Bluetooth as well as radio with FM and DAB, and the driver can also use Bluetooth to connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. When clicking the camera icon, it will bring up the rear view parking camera and sensors to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below the infotainment screen there is a physical climate control panel with buttons for ease of use while driving. These also control the 3-way heated seats. Below that there is a storage place for your phone while on the road, as well as a USB-C charging port, and the centre console houses 2 exposed cup holders and the armrest can be lifted up for more storage inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this used Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.